Good morning, students. Welcome to our today's online session. Students, in our last video, we have completed exercise 1.2 and I have given your first and second question of exercise 1.3 as your homework. Students, in that you had to color the greatest and the smallest numbers. Hope you all have completed your homework and enjoyed doing it. Now children, let's move to question 3. So please open page number 26, exercise 1.3 in your books. Now children, let's start doing the exercise. The question is put greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. What we have to do? We have to compare the numbers and then we will put the sign of greater, smaller or equal to after comparing those numbers. Okay. Now see, here the number is 8395 and 7305. So we have to compare these two numbers. In our second video, when I was explaining ascending and descending number, that time also I told you how to compare two numbers. While comparing the numbers, firstly we see that which number has how many digits. So here both the numbers have 4 digits. Okay. Now if both the numbers have same number of digits, what is our next step? Our next step is to find out the highest value of the number. So both the numbers at highest value, one is here it is 8th and here it is 7. Okay, a 4-digit number has its highest value at thousands place. Okay, so here 8 is at thousands place and here 7 is at thousands place. So 8 is greater than 7 and definitely this is going to be the greater number. Okay, so we will put the greater than sign towards 8395. Now let's see the next one, B1, 6394 and 6384. Now see children, both the numbers have same number of digits. That is, both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4-digit numbers, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And let's compare the digit at the highest value. So 6. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here both the numbers have 6 at thousands place. Now what we will do? If both the numbers are same at thousands place, we will compare the numbers at hundreds place. Now see, here 300s and here also 300s. So in these two numbers, the number at the hundreds place are also same. Now what we will do? Now we will come to tens place and we will compare the numbers at tens place. So this number has 9 at tens place and here 8 is at tens place. It means this number is greater. 6394 is greater than 6384. So we will put the greater sign. Okay. Now 4705 and 2828. Both are 4-digit numbers. So let us compare the numbers at thousands place. 4 and 2 are at thousands place. So 4 is greater than 2. So ultimately our 4705 is greater than 2828. Now D, 1388 and 9388. So both are 4-digit numbers. What we will do? We will compare the numbers at digits at thousands place. So here is 9 and here is 1 and we all know that 1 is smaller than 9. That means the greater number is 9388. So we will put the smaller than sign. Okay, 1388 is smaller than 9388. Okay students. Now see next one, 3448 and 3149. Both are 4-digit numbers. Let us compare the numbers at thousands place. So in both the numbers, the number at the thousands place are 3. The number is same. So what we will do? Now we will compare the numbers at hundreds place. So which number is at hundreds place? Here 4 is at hundreds place and here 1 is at hundreds place. That means 3448 is greater than 3149. Next one, 6036 with 6036. Now children, let us compare the number. You can see it is a 4-digit number and all the 4 digits are same. 6036, 6036, 6036, 6036. If we compare, then all the digits are going to be same at each place. That means these numbers are equal. Okay, these numbers are equal. Now next one, 8087 and 8887. Both are 4-digit numbers. Now what we will do? We will compare the number at thousands place. Here we have 8 at thousands place and here also we have 8 at thousands place. Now we will move on to hundreds place. So here we have 0 at hundreds place and here 8 at hundreds place. That means this number 8807 is greater than 8087. 8087 is smaller than 8807. Okay students, now next question. 5973 and 5970. So we have to compare the numbers. Start comparing from the thousands place. At thousands place, both the numbers have 5. Okay. Now let us compare at hundreds place. Now at hundreds place also we have same numbers, that is 9. Now let's come to tens place. So tens place we have 7 here and here also we have 7. Now what we will do? We will come to ones place. So here at ones place we have 3 and here at ones place we have 0. So we all know that 0 is smaller than 3. That means 5973 is greater than 5970. Okay students. Now let's come to the next question, that is question number 4. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, I have already explained in our first and in our second video also that how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay students, and for arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order also we compare the numbers. Okay, then only we can arrange the numbers in proper order. And what is ascending order, children? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. Ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, now let us see which is the smallest one. So we will firstly see that all the numbers are 4-digit numbers only, so there will be no comparison of digits because all the numbers have same number of digits, that is 4-digit. Okay, what we will do? We will start comparing the numbers at thousands place. 3, 9, 1, 2. So 1265. Here 1 is the lowest value. This is the number which has the lowest value at thousands place. Okay, so our first number will be 1265. Now we have already written this number. Let's cut it. We will compare among these three numbers. Thousands place, here we have 3, here we have 9 and here we have 2. So our next number will be 2162. Now this also we have written. Now let's compare these two numbers. Here we have 9 at thousands place and here we have 3 at thousands place. So this one is smaller than 3193 is smaller than 9744. So our next number will be 3193 and our last number will be 9744. Okay, now see the next one, students. First number, second, third, fourth. See all the numbers and firstly compare the digits. So here we can see that this and these three numbers have same number of digits and one number is of 3 digits, 651. This is a 3-digit number. Okay, so this number has the least number of digits, that means itself it is the smallest among all these numbers. So our first number will be 651. Now these three numbers, left numbers, have the same number of digits, that is 4 digit. Now what we will do, we will compare the number digits at thousands place. 8, here 8, here 7 and here 9. So among these three, which number has the smallest number at thousands place? That is 7710. Okay, 8 is greater than 7 and then 9 is greater than 8. So our next number will be 7710. Now we will compare these two numbers, and here at thousands place we have 8, here at thousands place we have 9. So our next number will be 8249. Okay, students, and the last one, the left one, will be 9232. See the next one, 1195, 8139, 1699, 6393. All these four numbers are 4-digit numbers. So what we have to do, we have to compare the digits at thousands place. Okay, here 1, 8, 1, 6. So these two numbers, they both have 1 at thousands place. What we will do, we will compare the number at hundreds place. Now here we have 1 at hundreds place and here we have 6 at hundreds place. 1 is smaller than 6. So this is going to be our smallest number, 1195. And next will be 1699. Now compare these two numbers. Here we have 8 at thousands place and here 6. 6 is smaller than 8. So our next number will be 6393 and our last number will be 8139. Students, now these two questions you are going to arrange yourself. Okay, these two questions compare and solve yourself in your books. Okay, students, this was already explained in 2 videos, how to compare the numbers and arrange them. And here also you have seen how we have find out the order of the numbers and how we have arranged them. Now in these 2 questions you will solve it yourself. Okay, now next is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Here what we have to do, children, descending order is greatest to smallest. Okay, descending order is greatest to smallest. So here we will compare the number and we will arrange the numbers in the order of greatest to smallest. Okay, now same we will do. Firstly we will compare the digits. So all these 4 numbers are 4-digit numbers only. Now what we will do, we will compare the numbers at thousands place. Here we have 1, here 3, here 1 and 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So 3 is greater than 1 and these 3 numbers have 1 at thousands place. Now we will compare the hundreds place of these 3 numbers now. Here we have 0 at hundreds place, here we have 0 at hundreds place and here we have 8 at hundreds place. Okay, so 8 is greater than 0 and 0, so we will leave this number. Now we'll compare these two numbers. Okay, so here at tens place we have 3, and here we have 1 at tens place. 1 is smaller than 3, so this is going to be your smallest number. This we will put at last, and your greatest number is 3506. Okay, then next one is 1801. Next one 1031, and then last one will be 1011. Okay, see the next question, students. All the digits, all the numbers are 4-digit numbers only here. Okay, now what we will do, we will compare the numbers at thousands place. Here we have 8, 3, 2, 1. So 8 is the greatest one. Here we will write 8563. After that, when we will compare the digits 3, 2, 1, among these 3 is the greatest one. So next number will be 3254. And when we will compare these two numbers, 2 and 1, 2 is greater than 1, so 2803 will be our next number, and finally our last number will be 1358. Okay, students, in both the questions, arrange in ascending order and arrange in descending order, in both the questions we have to arrange the numbers, we have to compare the numbers, and after comparing we have to arrange. Okay, in both the questions we have to do the comparison only, but in ascending we have to arrange them in the order of smallest to greatest, and in descending we have to arrange them in the order of greatest to smallest. Okay, but what we have to do actually, that is comparing. Okay, we have to compare the numbers. Now next is 7502, 4895, 5609 and 3246. Okay, find out the number at thousands place. 743. So in these numbers, here 7 is the highest digit at thousands place, so this is going to be a greatest number, 7502. Okay, then next, now this already we have written. Here we have 4 at thousands place, here 5 and here 3. So among these numbers, the greatest one is this. So our next number will be 5609. Now let's compare these two numbers, the thousands place of these two numbers. Here 4 is there and here 3. We all know that 4 is greater than 3. So next number will be 4895, and the last number will be 3246. So students, now here also D and E. In ascending order also D and E I told you to do yourself, and here also D and E you will solve yourself only. Okay, this was already explained. Here also I told you how to compare the number. It is already written here in which order you have to arrange it. Okay, and if you have any confusion, please write it like this in your book also. Okay, and here D and E you will solve yourself, and here also D and E you are going to solve yourself only. Okay, now student, let's come to exercise 1.4. Okay, page number 28, exercise 1.4. See the first question. Make 5 different numbers using the given digit. It is a very simple question, children. Nothing you have to do. What you have to do, only you have to use 3-4 digits to form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blanks are given. You have to use 3-4 digits to form 5 numbers. Okay, we can form so many numbers using these 4 digits. Okay, but when you will form a number using these 4 digits, in between those digits don't put comma, because here digits are given, but using those digits here you have to form a number, complete number. Okay, so what are the digits? 5, 6, 9, 2. What numbers you can make? So many numbers you can make. I'm writing what I'm feeling like writing here, but using these 4 digits in any order, arrange the digits and form any 5 numbers. Okay, like 5692. See, these digits only I have used, 5692, but I will not put comma here. Okay, why? Because if I will put a comma, they will be different digits, they are not going to be one number, and we have to form a number. Okay, now next, just 6925. 6925. See, these 4 digits are only there. 6925. Now next I will make 9256. 9256. Okay, these digits are only, these 4 digits are only there. Next will be 2569. 2569, and then 6295. Putting the digits in any order you can form number. There are so many other numbers also we can form using these 4 digit. Okay, this I am making, but you can make numbers yourself also. Okay, it is not necessary that exactly which numbers I have written here using these 4 digits, that only you will write. You can write it yourself also. Okay, you can write 2965, 2956, 6592, 6925. But whichever number you will make, those numbers should have these digits 5, 6, 9 and 2. Okay, now see the B1, 3815. These are the 4 digits. By using these 4 digits we will form 5 numbers here. Okay, and all those 5 numbers should have these 4 digits only. Okay, now so 3815, 8153, 1538, 5381, 3851. Okay, this is how only we are using these digits and we are forming the number. We are changing the order of the digits from here to there, and we are forming a new number using these 4 digits. Okay, 6043. So 6043. Now children, just remember, whenever you are forming a digit, okay, like you are forming a 4 digit number here, while forming a 4 digit number you can't put a 0 at first. Okay, if you will put this 0 at first, in the beginning if we write 0, okay, it means nothing. If at the beginning of any number we write 0, it means nothing. So if you will write 0 at the beginning, this will become a 3 digit number. Like if I will write here 0436, this will become a 3 digit number, ones, tens, hundreds only, because 0 means nothing. Okay, now if your first number is 0 only, that means nothing is there at that place. Okay, so whenever you are arranging any number, even if the greatest and smallest number you have to form using those numbers which has 0 also. Okay, what you will never put this 0 in the beginning. Never put this 0 in the beginning. Again I am telling you. Okay, that will be wrong. Okay, na 4036, 3046, 3406, 6034. See, what I have done, I have used these 4 digits only. I have changed the order of the digits from here to there. Okay. Next is 7135. 7135, 1357, 5731, 5713, 7315. All these numbers have these digits only in them. Okay. Now 4891, 4891, 8914, 9814, 1849, 1489. Okay. Like this we have formed the numbers. Okay, students, and you can form numbers yourself also. Fine. Now see the next question. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits. Now here what happened, children? Here what we have done, we have used the digit and we have made any 5 numbers. Okay, whatever number we could make, we have made here. Okay, but here what you have to do, you have to make only the greatest and the smallest number possible using these digits. Okay, so in a second video I explained you how to arrange the numbers, how to form a number. Okay, while forming a number using the given digits, what we do, for arranging the number in the greatest number, for arranging the greatest number using the given digits, what we do, we arrange those numbers in those digits in descending order. And for making the smallest number with the given digits, what we do, we arrange those digits in descending order. Okay, so for arranging for forming the greatest number, we will arrange these digits in which order? In descending order. So when we arrange in descending order, what we do, firstly we write the greatest number. Greatest number here is 9, then 7, then 5, and then 0. So which is our greatest number formed? 9750. Okay, students, and now don't put comma in between these numbers. Okay, that day also I so many times I told you not to put comma, because here digits are given to form a number and here we are forming a complete number. So we will not put comma in between, because if we will put comma, it will be represented as digits, not as a number, and that will be wrong. Okay, now let us form the smallest. Okay, for forming the smallest number, I told you that we have to arrange in ascending order. So for arranging in ascending order, how you will arrange the smallest one? You will say that smallest one is 0, then 5, then 7, and then 9. Okay, but if we will arrange it like this, it will be wrong. Okay, you will say that how it is wrong, miss, because you only told that for arranging the smallest number, for forming the smallest number with the given digit, we arrange the digits in ascending order, and if we will arrange in ascending order, the smallest will be 0 and we will put 0 only at first. But no, when you form a number, 4 digits are given here. Using these numbers, see, we have to form a 4-digit number using the given numbers, 4-digit number. So if we are writing 0 at first, it means this nothing is there at place. Okay, 0 at the beginning of any number means nothing. So it will be represented as a 3-digit number, and that will be wrong, because we have to form a 4-digit number, not a 3-digit number. Okay, so in that case, if 0 is also given as a digit, while arranging, if 0 is also given as a digit, what we will do? We are not going to write 0 at first. We will see the numbers from smallest to greatest order, but we will not write 0 at first. The other number which is smallest other than 0, we will write that number at first. Okay, so in 705 number, other than 0, which number is the smallest? The smallest number is 5. So firstly we will write 5 here, and then 0, then 7, and then 9. Okay, this is how we form smallest number using 4 digits if 0 is also given as a digit in that. Okay now children, please listen to this carefully and just fix it in your mind. When you form a smallest 4 digit number, okay, and if among the digits you have 0, don't keep it at its highest value. Okay, never keep it at the highest value, because 0 at the beginning of a number means nothing. Okay now let's see the next one, 1384. So for making the greatest number, we will arrange it in descending order. That means firstly we will put the greatest number. So greatest number here is 8, then 4, then 3, and then 1. So the greatest number formed here is 8431, and the smallest number will be, now we will arrange these digits in descending order. So the smallest number here is 1, then 3, then 4, and then 8. So the smallest number which can be formed is 1348. Now see, 6278. These are the digits given here. So now we will arrange these numbers in descending, we will arrange these digits in descending order to form the greatest number. So first the greatest number here is 8, after 8 7, then 6, and then 2. So the greatest number formed using these 4 digits is 8762. Okay, now smallest, for smallest we will arrange these digits in ascending order. So smallest one is 2, then 6, then 7, and then 8. 2678 is the smallest number which can be formed using these digits. Now students, D and E you will solve yourself. Okay, D and E has to be done by yourself. Okay, how to form greatest and smallest number is also explained in our first video. Okay, and then today also you have seen how to solve it, and here 0 is given. So please children, I have already explained you here how to use 0 while arranging. Okay na? So I would like you all to solve it yourself only. Okay, and student, I have given some copy work also that will be given in your download link. Please download it and do it in your copy. Okay students, now this is all for today. In next video, firstly I will explain you even and odd numbers, then we will move on to the next exercise, exercise 1.5. Okay, now this is all for today. Thank you students. Be safe, be at home, take care, goodbye.